Welcome friends to my channel Trading Sensation. So after a long time again I have reopened my channel. I hope you all are fine. So today in this particular video I'm going to show you global market scenario. Related to the global market, I'll start with dollar index and after that I'll proceed with the major indices like NASDAQ, Dow Jones and gold. If you like this video, please don't forget to share it with your near and dear ones, and yes, please do subscribe my channel and don't forget to put a comment in the comment section below. So let's start. So this is dollar index. I have opened the free version of TradingView because I know that most of you are using the free version. So for you all as well, I'm showing you this free version. So this is the dollar index chart. This is daily chart, you can see. So at first I want to tell you that there is an inverse relationship of precious metals with dollar index. So what do I mean by that? I mean that when dollar index rises, precious metals like gold, silver, they fall and vice versa. Now let me just give you a proof. So this is the daily chart of dollar index, you can see. Let me just zoom in a bit so that you can have a look at it more clearly. So this is around July 2023, correct? Now let me just proceed to gold. So the gold chart is getting opened. This is daily. So where is July 2023? You can see that July 2023 was around here, correct? So from this particular time, dollar index went up and spot gold started to come down. So from this level, that is 1976, it made a low around this level of 1810. Now what has happened in the recent past? In the recent past, dollar has made a top. Dollar index made a top around 4th of October 2023. Correct? Since then, it has started coming down for making lower highs and lower lows. Now let me just proceed to gold. This is the gold chart. Now you see that from this October itself, gold has started going up. Why? Because dollar index started coming down since October. So it proves that there is an inverse relationship of dollar with precious metals. Now I'll come to gold later on. Let me just show you the present chart of dollar index. Presently you can see that dollar index is hovering around this level of this 102.5 to 103.75. Now at this moment, if it comes down, then this 101.75 is a major support level for dollar index. And if it starts going up, then again we can expect that it will touch this recent high, that is around 107.2, correct? Now let's proceed to gold. So gold has almost given a close of all-time high in weekly basis. Let me just show you the line chart. So in the line chart you can see that it has already breached the previous highs, correct? It is presently hovering around 2072. Now if we just convert it to candlestick chart, it is still yet to breach the high because the previous highs we can see it's around this 2075. Here it's around, again it's around 2070. Here it is around, you can see it's 2081.5 and presently it's 2072.9. So it's just a spike on the daily candlestick chart which has made a high of around 2082. correct? So it is yet to breach, but in terms of line chart, it has already breached. Now people are presently very bullish in this gold and along with silver as well, because they has given a breakout in weekly terms, correct? Now what will happen in the near future? What is going to happen in the near future? It all depends on dollar index, where it goes. If it further comes down, we can expect gold to make all-time high, and if it rises from here, then we can see, or we will be able to see, a retracement of this particular rally and gold will come down, correct? So all focus should be on dollar index primarily. And another point related to dollar index is dollar index has a major significance with emerging markets like Indian market, like Russia, like Brazil. Why? Because if dollar index comes down, then our Indian market or the equity market goes up. It has an inverse relation to our market as well. So presently we know that Indian market is also at all-time high. So we should also focus it minutely that what is going to happen in dollar index, because it will put a huge impact on the equity market in Indian terms. Now let me just proceed to NASDAQ. So what does this NASDAQ signifies? I hope you all know that it signifies all the major IT stocks in US, correct? So in the recent past, it has made a high of around 16062, and presently it's around 16,023, and the all-time high was made around this particular level, that is 23rd or 22nd of November 2021, which is around this level of 16,750. So what is going to happen in these IT stocks? Let me show you another interesting chart of dollar index along with the major stocks which are constituents of NASDAQ. So this is NASDAQ daily chart from this 2019 or 2018 July. You can see this is just a snapshot which I have taken for you all. So what it is showing is market breadth, because you know market breadth is very important for the overall market to judge. If the market breadth is strong, then we can say that the overall market has strength and the rally is also has strength and it has further room on the upside. But you see in the past instances where NASDAQ made a higher high, the percentage of stocks above their 200-day moving average made a lower high, and you see a significant fall after that. You see here also, and around this 2022 September, October, you see when NASDAQ was hovering around all-time high zone, the percentage of stocks above their 200-day moving average made a lower high, and see after that the fall. So what does this 200-day moving average signify? So this is a very secular concept that if a stock is moving higher or is greater than 200-day moving average, we say that the broader trend is up and vice versa, correct? So in terms of 200-day moving average, I have constituted that how many stocks are hovering above 200-day moving average. Now presently in the current instance, you can see that NASDAQ again is hovering close towards its all-time high zone, and see the percentage of stocks above their 200-day moving average. It's very few. So what does it signify? It signifies that the index is primarily moving higher due to its major stocks which has high weightage along with their high market cap. So those stocks are moving the index on the higher side, because all the stocks or most of the stocks are not moving higher, because you can see the percentage of stocks above their 200-day moving average is not moving higher compared to the previous high. So I am not that bullish in NASDAQ People are very bullish in NASDAQ. People are saying that it has made inverse, it has made a cup and handle pattern. Correct. So this is the cup and this is the handle. So it will go far higher. It will make a target of around 22,000, 25,000. People are giving targets like that. But I will wait for the breakout because the broader market is not that bullish for me. So this coming week is very, very significant because you see the previous high, that is around 16,062, has not yet breached for so many days. Since the last 2 weeks almost, you can see 5 to 10 candles, you can see it is hovering around this all-time high zone, previous all-time high zone, correct? But it has not yet given a close above that. So this needs to be watched minutely and it gives a lot of importance for the coming week. Now let's proceed to US 30, that is Dow Jones. So Dow Jones also from this October end, it is rallying unidirectionally. There is no retracement at all. But what has happened when market moved unidirectionally? See here, see here, see here. Now what is going to happen over here? So I guess it's a blind guess that what is going to happen over here, correct? In terms of stocks also, if you see the underlying of this particular index, you will find that only primarily the major stocks which has highest constituents in this index is putting an impact on this index to move on the upside, nothing else. So Dow Jones is hovering around this all-time high zone, that is around 37,000 to be precise, 36,900, correct? And presently it's 36,250. So coming week is very, very important for the equity market, especially because all the major indices like Dow Jones, like NASDAQ, like gold chart, they all are hovering at the make or break level. So I guess I could throw some light for you all. Please don't forget to put your valuable comments in the comment section below. And yes, very soon I am going to make a video on the Indian market related to the major indices. Keep watching. Thanks.